Do you ever find yourself hunched over your computer desk or having issues with sitting for long periods of time? If so, consider picking up the standing desk converter by TechOrbits. Today we're unboxing this product to see if this is something you'd like to pick up. In the interest of full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge by TechOrbits. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. This standing desk converter helps you go from sitting to standing in seconds. Simply by squeezing the table riser handles, the gas springs raise the desk to your desired height level, which is up to 20 inches high. Although the standing desk riser comes unassembled, it is easy to put together. The one I have is 37 inches wide. It has a two-tier design to ensure your comfort by having your keyboard and mouse located separately. It holds up to 35 pounds and it is crafted by quality MDF wood. It comes in three colors: black, white, and brown. It also has a slot for you to be able to add your tablet or your phone in case you wanted to see any correspondence that was happening there. And as you can see, this was relatively easy to assemble. This is what it currently looks like on my desk. If you like to stop slouching at your desk and have the option of sitting or standing whenever you want, then consider picking up this TechOrbits standing desk converter. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.